riding a little bit to know if my arms feels good, and if I feel no pain, I continue. But if I feel some pain, I stop.
Yesterday's great experience in riding. I'm just looking forward to another similar day today.
Good morning, welcome to Kalopani. We're gonna head to the lake now. You can enjoy the beautiful view of Annapurna.
All the pain disappears and it all makes it worth it.
It feels so exciting to enjoy my ride.
Namaste. We had a challenging day yesterday. I was tired, but here the beds were so comfortable. I feel great. I did some stretching this morning. I'm so looking forward to this ride farther up into the mountains. The clouds have come in, you can't really see, but man, I'm looking forward to getting higher up. I think today's going to be a good day.
Toi aussi tu mets ça? Emmène-moi. Ah ben non, je sais pas qui c'est. Quelqu'un a mis ça. I talked to the motorbike. Alison said that it's a real human being. So I just said like, good morning, Beckett. Please, we are going to have a good ride today.
This was worth yesterday's hard ride. It's so beautiful up here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Stop. Merci beaucoup.
Who had this good idea?
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Peace and calm in this environment surrounded by mountain and silence.
A, un I, un A. Wouh!
फुल यहाँको अर्ग्यानिक सबै यहीँ उत्पादन भएको चामल मात्रै हो हाम्रो तलबाट ल्याउने
I want to test what we preparing.
You know, women cook and the boys do the clean, the dishwashing. You look, BJ, salad. It's such a nice welcoming place, right? Very nice. I can't wait to eat this food. Thakali kitchen, delicious.
Yeah, now we are starving a little bit.
Well, it's nice to prepare some local dishes, and I'm looking forward to eat the food we made.